Hi everyone, this is Network Guru, and this video I'm going to show you how to get your memories back in Snapchat. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's go down to business. First of all, let's open up Snapchat and let's see what memories I'm talking about. Open Snapchat and it usually opens up immediately on your camera screen. You'll see two cards in the bottom left corner. Tap on them and various memories will appear on the screen: snapshots, camera roll, dreams, stories, screenshot, and for my eyes only. If for some reason you delete your account or memories and want them back, I tell you how to do it. But first make sure your memories and save it on your phone. Click on the profile icon in the top left corner, then click on the three dots next to My Stories. Make sure that autosave photos in My Memories option is enabled so that all photos are saved. Then tap on the gear icon in the top right corner to enter Settings. Scroll down the page and find My Data. Click on it and will take you to your data page. You may have to go through the login process again. Once on the My Data page, scroll down the page and find Memories and Other Media. Click Next and you'll see a page that asks you to send all this data to your email. To get your memories, tap Send. Snapchat will send all the data to your email address and you can access your memories from there. They won't go back into the Snapchat app as stealth, but you'll be able to see videos, photos and more. We hope this helps. If you still have questions, ask in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.